Hey there, take a deep breath, you have got this. Here is a little problem for us to solve together. No pressure, no rush, just you, me and some math. We are looking at 5 times n minus 4 equals 4n minus 8. It might seem like a lot, but let's just take it one small step at a time. I will guide you through every move. First, let's handle the parenthesis. That 5 outside means we multiply everything inside by 5. Think of it like sharing. 5 times n is 5n, 5 times negative 4 is negative 20. Now our equation is 5n minus 20 equals 4n minus 8. Now let's bring all the n's together on one side. It just makes things simpler. We subtract 4n from both sides. On the right, they cancel out. On the left, 5n minus 4n leaves us with just n. So now we have n minus 20 equals negative 8. Almost there. We just need to free n from that negative 20. So we add 20 to both sides. The negative 20 and positive 20 cancel. And on the right, negative 8 plus 20 gives us 12. So n equals 12. Let's double check just to be absolutely sure. Plug 12 back into the original problem. 5 times 12 minus 4 is 5 times 8, which is 40. And 4 times 12 minus 8 is 48 minus 8, which is also 40. They match perfectly. We did it. Thank you for solving with me today. If this helped, consider subscribing. We will explore more problems together. Drop a comment with what you would like to see next. Take care and I will see you in the next one.